Welcome to TNT Trends and Tour Channel. Ayon sa GMA Entertainment News, Sophia of KATSEYE was spotted supporting SB19 during their Simula at Wakas World Tour stop in Los Angeles. SB19 are winning hearts everywhere, and even KATSEYE Sophia could not resist showing her support for the P-pop kings. On Instagram, SB19 shared photos with Sophia, who attended the P-pop group Simula at Wakas World Tour in Los Angeles, California, on July 13. "Thanks for coming to our LA show," Sophia, SB19 wrote. Previously, Sophia and SB19 met in a fan showcase in the Philippines last year. The Filipina star, together with her fellow KATSEYE members, joined SB19 in dancing their hit song, Touch, on TikTok. The girl group also gave SB19 signed copies of their album. Since then, many fans have been anticipating a future collaboration between KATSEYE and SB19. SB19 is currently in the US for their Simula at Wakas World Tour. Meanwhile, KATSEYE just dropped their second single, Gabriela, on June 20. Related gallery, celebrities spotted in SB19 Simula at Wakas concert. Please don't forget to subscribe TNT Trends and Tour channel, please click the notification bell to notify you in our next video, and please like and share and comment down below. Thank you for watching.